What if a tidal wave swept through your city, but instead of water, it was thick, sticky syrup? On January 15, 1919, a giant storage tank in Boston burst, unleashing over 2 million gallons of molasses into the streets. The wave rushed at 35 mph, destroying buildings, overturning vehicles, and trapping people and horses in its wake. The disaster claimed 21 lives and injured 150, leaving the city coated in a sugary mess for weeks. Cleanup took months, and the event led to sweeping changes in building regulations. Its legacy as unforgettable as it is bizarre.